Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix operation could not be completed and the error code you get on the screen is 0x00000709 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing operation could not be completed, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the regedit. Just click on the start menu, then type here regedit, or you can type register editor also. Click on register editor, click on yes to allow. Guys, in this you can see second option, H key current user. Just double click and expand that one. After that you need to click on software, double click and expand. After software you need to find Microsoft. You can see here Microsoft, double click and expand. After Microsoft you need to find Windows NT. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here Windows NT, just double click and expand. After that you will find current version, double click and expand. In this you need to find Windows, just right click on Windows and click on permission. After that you need to click on add. You need to add your Windows user account. You can see here this is your current user account. Just need to type the username here and click on check name and click on OK. After that you need to select and you need to allow full permissions, full control, and click on apply and click OK. After that just close this window, click on start menu, then type here control panel. Click on control panel, just click on view by category. Under hardware and sound you will find view devices and printers. Just click on that. In this you need to select your printer, just right click on that and click on set as default. Before clicking set as default you have to make sure that you have deleted this option in register editor. In this you can see legacy default print mode. Just you need to delete this option. Then close this window. Just right click on your printer and click on set as default printer. Click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the operation could not be completed and the error code you was getting 0x00000709. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.